Hello everyone! Today I've got a quick little video showing you those little travel palettes that I made a few days ago in action. So when they were all set, the paint was all dry, I decided to try them out. And I made a few little paintings with just the paint from those palettes, and I must say I couldn't be more pleased. Those palettes are fun, they're very practical, they don't take much space at all, they're pretty light. The lid closes very well, very nice and tight. And the mixing surface is big enough, I guess. It's really nice. So I'm probably going to make a third one as an actual travel palette with all my favorite colors in it that I use the most. So if you're looking for a travel palette and don't want a bigger bulky one, I highly recommend to make one of those for yourself. They're very easy to make. That, it takes about an hour and a half or so to make. Although you need to let the paint dry before you stick the color swatch underneath if you choose to do so. But other than that, it's really practical. I really like it. And it only costs $1 at the dollar store. That's it for today. I hope you liked this little follow-up video. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.